There's two ways I don't want to die, and it's by a grizzly and then ending up in a barrel full of acid in Mexico. Pretty unlikely, but
by the time you get in the barrel, you're probably toast.
Yeah.
What is it about your content that's ever got you flagged before?
Well, you got to be careful on when you're going out elk hunting or something and you show breaking down an animal in the field. Some of that can be flagged.
I've had some good conversations with people that have lived here for a really long time, and they kind of start with, we don't want any more, it's full, we don't want anybody from another state, we don't want them bringing those policies. And I would posit that a lot of times people have endured living in a place where they don't get a lot of the same freedoms we get here, or their eyes were open during where their freedoms were completely limited.
Like, nobody I met in Canada even owned a handgun.
Wow.
Weird.
Do they have rifles?
Yeah.
ARs and 45-70s?
Those
Yeah,
are those are probably too
Probably
scary.
shotguns.
Shotguns? Okay.
They're great people. Like,
Yeah.
all the Canadians I met were awesome, but they just, you can't, like, there's just so many rules.
And I've switched my tune. Eric and I did a video a week or two ago looking at like the breakdown of Boise and the population density. Are Boise politics starting to go the other way a little bit? And that's concerning. I don't think this is a short-term problem, but it's going to come down the pipeline at some point.
I lived in Boise for about a year. I opened a gym up for a guy down there. It was a speed school and a gym, so it was legit. And I was out of Meridian, which is, Boise, if you will. I loved Boise. I love the people of Boise. A lot of my friends live in Boise. I think Boise will continue to grow. It's a very clean town. It's a very beautiful area. You got lots of recreation in every direction. Their winters are a little bit shorter than ours. Their summers and fall are a little bit longer, which is great.
I hear that all the time. But keep in mind, the people that are moving here, at least the ones we deal with, they are very conservative. They're leaving that place because the values do not match up with how they want to raise their family. So they're like, where can I go? North Idaho.